Hey everyone, Pedro here. Continuing our series about managing a circle community. Today we're going to talk about analytics. So this is the analytics dashboard from Circle, and you have the home, the default tab here for analytics. That is the overview where you can check your average daily active members. So active members for Circle is a member that access your community in the last 30 days. So this is count. If they log in the last 30 days, it counts an active member. And the 30-day new members, the overall active members, and the inactive as well as the active posts, the top here, and the score you can check here. I have 2 comments plus 1 like in the post, and the active space. You can also check the score here, how it's calculated. Then you have your popular days and popular times. This is a great insight if you have events or challenges in your circle community. So you can see that probably I want to run my challenges from Monday to Friday, and maybe schedule the events maybe 3 p.m. or 7 p.m. And also a brief overview of your top members, what it means to be a top member. Same here, posts, comments, and likes. Lastly, you can see here that we can export a CSV. So the CSV for 30-day new members, inactive, and active members. A great use case for exporting inactive members is you can invite them again back to the community. You can send an invitation mail saying what happened, what you're looking for, and invite them for a specific new space or new stuff that are going on in the community. We're going to talk about how you can invite members later in another video. So yeah, let's go to the members tab. And here you can see your top members again, but now the full list, the active commenters, post starters, and most appreciated. So by likes received, and the score is the same. You can check here. And just bear in mind that these are the ones in this period. So let's put more time here. Yeah, so since October is going to update, and you can see that it changed here. And also this graph is going to change as well. Same here, you can change the graph and the daily range. In the members tab, unfortunately, we can't filter out admins. So you can see like the top member is myself, but yeah, like you can remove an admin or a moderator from the analytics. You can just, I'm gonna show you a way where you kinda can filter your best members. But yeah, let's go to the posts and comments tab first. Here on posts and comments, you can also filter the date range, and you can see here your top posts and top comments. So this gives you great insights on what's working best on your community and what's not. So you can see here the main discussions and try to create and generate content around it on what's working already. In the messages tab, you can see how your members are using the messages and also the group chats that you created. The space tabs is a great one for you to see what's working as well in your community. You can always filter in the same way, and the fun thing is that you can highlight some. So if you click here, you can remove some and just analyze one specific space to another. And also here, you can hover over. Same here, you can remove to see what's working best, and also the score. So yeah, this is an overview of the analytics that you can get with Circle. But one thing that I mentioned, like how I can see which are my best members, how I can get more analytics. And then again, you can go on overview, and here in overview, as I mentioned, you can export this data, but also here in members, you can see all members and here actions export CSV. So when you export your CSV, you're gonna see something like this, and it may feel that it's a lot, but if you go on data, uh, get data from text CSV, you're gonna see this window. So you can see that you're gonna have the full members data from URLs, website, social media, and the best thing, number of posts, comments, and likes received. So I'm just gonna upload this data here and show you how you can use in your community. So now you can see the full list here imported and with filters, and what we can do, get all members that join, let's say on September, so 2022 here, let's filter, and I can filter here the number of likes received, so from most to lists. And yeah, I can see that Tasha Cooper, Jason, and Aksa Sawar are great members from September. And this, I can reward members. You can see the members that are good for being moderators, as I invited Tasha Cooper. You can see like she was with the most amount of posts, comments, and likes received. So we invited her to be a moderator. And also you can see members that were inactive and send an invitation again. So these are fun ways where you can play around with Circle's data. Let me know if you have any questions. See you in the next video.